This is the new improvement that has been going on within this airport vicinity, and as you can see, they are installing new solar electric bulb, which they are removing the old ones. If I zoom in, you will see these are the newly ones that are installed. For now, they are still on the bridge. They are installing these lights. The tractor that is helping to install this stuff is right there on the bridge, and this is the light. This is the road. I'll try as much as possible to go get a closer view so we can see how the installation is being done. Mind you, this bridge was built over a decade now. Right. This is the solar. It's very big, but looking at it from far, it looks very small. I'll show you all of them. There are a lot of them, like on this line. The solar panel is big. It's around 5 feet. Around 5 feet. Face it. It looks small, right? It's just camera. It's not small. You see the light? 1, 2, 3, 4. See the solar battery and everything. This is the pole. There's still so many ahead, so many. This is another one right here. So within these premises, there used to be this old electricity bulb that were installed. Those ones are already fading out. They actually serve, like they have been here for over like 7-6 years, and they actually served, but now they are trying to move into a more renewable energy, and that's why they are bringing in solar. So this solar now is gonna like overtake this, or we succeed the old electricity mode. And this solar does not need anyone coming to maintain them, like turning on the light or anything like that. This is solar. During the day it is automatically off, and at night it comes up back by itself. Like these are the old ones. You see, these are the old street lights that were installed. So I'll show you the new ones now in a bit. So we're already there. See, they are installing it. It's shaking. I just hope the camera after this video shoot does its kind of auto stabilization stuff to make sure this video is a bit stabilized, and maybe when editing I'll try to balance it. So because of this installation, they blocked the road. Yeah, you can see them there. That's 1 and 2. See, there are 2 now working at the same time. So why, like, the closer I move, the farther the vehicle is going, the truck is going. So I don't know why. Well, this light you're seeing right there, this one right here, what they did was that I didn't actually meet up with this update, because when I came here, the pole has been installed already, so they're just putting the lights on the pole. So that was why the work was fast. I wish I came as early as possible when they were still installing the pole. I'll be able to catch more updates. But nonetheless, I think I already caught up with them now. Yeah, sorry. So what they're doing now is just installing the solar. This kind of video will be best shot on a drone, so you could see the top of the solar, how wide, how big, how many inches, and the light bulb. You know, this is an airport premises, so flying of drone is strictly prohibited here because of the aircraft and crew. But I can see them now. Yeah, let me just move faster so we don't miss out on this one again. So let's go. Look right here, you see those poles that are lying down there. Those are the old poles that were holding the lights, but they have been removed now. So those ones are just parked there. They will still move them or ship them to somewhere they will be used, or maybe do something else with them. Talking about, that's the solar, so it will be hanged while making this video, I was around the airport premises, this checkpoint, and I never knew like the video, the camera at the side like this was showing the checkpoint area, the military men there. So I've made the video, gone past them, and they called me back. They said I should come. So I came. I was like, I greeted as usual, thinking maybe they just want to know what I'm doing, which is very, very right. So they told me that why was I making a video. I explained what I do, showed them my work and everything. They said okay, but I shouldn't be filming the military checkpoint. I said no, I wasn't doing that, and they said I should play the video for them, which I did. And to be frank with you, I actually videoed it. I was not aware, so I didn't do that intentionally. And so they asked me and explained, and I said I didn't do it intentionally. It was a mistake, obviously. And thank God they were kind enough, they understood, and they saw the work and they said okay, fine, it's not a big deal, I should just delete that part, that particular video. And it was 1 minute 49 seconds where I was filming the environment, the light installation. But I was just happy they were understanding and also well helping, and in any ways they actually helped. It didn't lead to any problem or anything, and that's where I'm just going now. So that is it for today's video concerning this. That's it for today's video concerning this solar electric power installation. I hope I see you on the next video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. God bless you as you do so. See you on the next video. Bye.